So you know when you see me, I make links. So we have Desyian Solutions here and we're unboxing a solar AC. What? Okay. Desyian Solutions, small changes, big difference. And we have down here solar AC fan. Dave, you see what I say?
Well, so only outside in the sun that you can use the fan them on your.
Me no know. Hello folks and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot and today we have in front of us a solar AC/DC fan. And this is provided by Desyian Solutions, small changes, big difference. And this is the first of many products that we'll be doing and reviewing for this local company. So without further ado, let's just get started. So before we open the box, me and Dave have a bet, a running bet. He must say, the fan, you have to go charge it outside and carry it inside, come use it. And me I tell him, say, nobody now gonna design a fan like that. That's a foolishness. But he bet me, and I bet it's a bet. And if I open this and see a panel, Dave, you better have my $1,000. Okay, so while we speed through the unboxing of this product, I should mention the specifications as well. So this fan here is a 12 watt 16-inch standing fan, and the company also says it has a wall mounted version as well, and it's able to be powered by a solar panel or an adapter that you can plug in the house. So you don't have to worry if it's a cloudy day or if you have a whole heap of sun, you can use either one. So in the box you get the usual things you would get with a fan. You get the pole, you get the base, the motor, you get the blades, you get the things to screw on the blade, and you get the cage for your own safety so the fan blade not fly off and slap you in the face. There are two things you won't normally find in a fan box that you find here, and that's one, an adapter with a funny foreign looking end. Now luckily the company provides anybody who buys this an adapter to use in the outlets in Jamaica. The second thing you'll find is a solar panel. You don't normally see these in fan boxes, but this is a solar fan, so you should expect to see some form of solar equipment in there. Anyhow, this solar panel comes with a decent length cord, so you can fling this outside, fling it on your roof. You have enough cord for it. Hang yourself. Please note, I'm not endorsing you to hang yourself, okay? Okay, before I start this thing up, I need to mention something I found out while assembling this solar fan. There's a small clip that connects the motor to the body of the fan, because the body of the fan has the battery in it that powers the motor up top. This is a very fine clip and you need to be very careful when you're attaching these two pieces. Well, somebody should have told me say outside's a backside hot. Jeez. Anyway, we're placing down the solar panel so we can get some juice to the fan and see how fast it spins. I wonder if the angle important. You know what? I'm just gonna lean it up right here, so don't judge me. I was searching for the hole and couldn't find it for a long while, and Dave just couldn't stop laughing.
Listen for real, man, I can't find a hole, you know.
Alright, I find the hole, Dave. I find the hole.
Hole feel.
God damn it. Okay, so we're finally at the review process. I had this fan for around 2 to 3 weeks, and I only have two minor problems. And the first one is this fan has a built-in battery that can be charged up by either the solar panel or the adapter. Now the problem I have is that when you're charging it with the solar panel, you don't know at all if you fully charged the battery internally. So you might have it outside, you might not have it outside for the whole entire day, or you just don't know if you fully charge the fan so it can last you throughout the night when there's no sun. But the adapter, on the other hand, if you plug it in to charge the fan, there's a little light on the adapter that indicates when it's fully charged and when it's charging. you don't have any halfway points. So when it's charging the internal battery, it is red, but when it's fully charged, it turns green. That is good, but you don't have that option when you're using the solar panel. The second minor problem I had is that at the highest speed, this fan vibrates a little bit and it makes the cage of the fan rattle just a little bit. It's not enough to annoy you if you're sleeping or not sleeping, but you can feel and hear the vibration when it's at full speed. Okay, so apart from those two minor problems I had, the solar fan has so many positives. For one, you get 8.5 hours of runtime on a full battery charge on the lowest speed, and the lowest speed on this fan is much higher than the lowest speed on some other fans in the past I've used. Also, you're able to use the fan while you're charging it with the solar panel, which is nice. So you don't have to worry that you have to turn off the fan in the day and fully charge it with the solar panel. You can just run both of them at the same time. Solar panel outside, fan running, and it will still charge the battery enough to get roughly 7 to 8 hours of runtime in the night when the sun is down. The fan also comes with a night light. I can't tell when last I say a night light on a fan, to be honest, but the solar fan has it. So you can actually turn it on and off while you're using the fan. The only tidbit is that to turn off the light after you turn it on, you have to turn off the fan and the light at the same time. That's kind of weird. So, what are my final thoughts about the solar fan from Desyian Solutions? Well, this is definitely a product I'll buy for myself. The time hot, everybody need a fan in them house, and the major plus is JPS can't charge my feet. Yeah, the fan is a great addition to any household, and it's versatile enough to use solar energy, and if the time cloudy or a heap of rain, you can always use the adapter and you still have a fan you can work with. And the major plus is that the adapter will make you use the fan and charge the battery, and after the battery charge you can plug out the adapter and still run the fan. There's just so many pluses for this product. So if you want to find out more about this product or any other solar products, Desyian Solutions, the contact is in the description. You can call them, give them a call, find out the price for the solar fan and the other products that they have. Okay folks, there you have it, the full review of a solar fan. I never know me that live to see this day. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Continue to subscribe, tell your friends, and again, this would not be possible without your views, comments, and subscriptions. Okay? And until next time, hold on. Dave, you don't have some money for me?
In the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.